Peace be upon Imam Hussain, the son of Ali alayhi salam, the grandson of Holy Prophet, peace be upon. Imam Hussain alayhi salam is one of the eminent, renowned personality and a glorious chapter of Islamic history, which does not require any introduction. Without the sacrifice of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, Islam is uncompleted, because Imam Hussain alayhi salam draw a line between hedonism and the asceticism and clarified the real doctrine of Islam. Allah revealed so many verses as well as surah in the Quran in the honor of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Allah said in the Surah Asr, by time indeed mankind is in loss, except for those who have believed and done the righteous deeds and advise to each other truth and advise each other to patience. The aforementioned surah revealed for Imam Hussain salam. Imam embraced Shahadat at the time of Asr. Indeed, Imam is the righteous paragon of tolerance and forbearance. Imam Hussain alayhi salam is an essential of humanity. After the death of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Yazid succeeded to reach the throne of Khilafat. Moreover, he tried to blemish the real face of Islam and uttered legislation of Islam. Moreover, he was notorious and obsession person of the history of Islam, who had physical relation with ancient. He drank over the throne of Khilafat. In addition, he legalized the fornication and drinking of alcohol, which are strictly prohibited in Islam. So this was responsibility and religious duty of Imam Hussain alayhi salam to restrict his very vicious acts and give renaissance to Islam. Imam Hussain alayhi salam till to his last breath tried to sign a peace accord with Yazid, but Yazid demanded Baitul Khilafat and gave threat to Imam Hussain alayhi salam, accept my Khilafat, otherwise I slaughtered your whole family. Imam Hussain alayhi salam is a son of Rasulullah in the context of Surah Al-Imran. How could accept the hedonistic regime of Yazid? Furthermore, Imam Hussain alayhi salam delivered a historical sermon and enlightened his noble cause in these scared words. Now then, you have seen what unrighteousness has come forth. The world has changed color and has shown unacquaintance. It is righteousness has sparked and has continued until this remnant of good in it amounts to the thin sediments at the bottom of drinking utensil, and life is degraded like the grazing around of death. Do you not see truth is not being practiced and wrong not being discouraged? The righteous believer is the one who aspires towards righteousness. I alone consider death to be a prosperity, while living with the oppressors is nothing but undesirable. Maula Imam Hussain alayhi salam created a line between the hedonism and the righteous path. After incident of Karbala, only two sects are remained. One is Hussaini, while other is Yazidi. Yazid is not a character, but in actual it is a doctrine. So now it is our choice which path we have preferred, whether Yazidi or Hussaini. For the permanent success, it is necessary we should give the top priority to way which is guided by Imam Hussain alayhi salam. The message of Karbala is summarized in these words: जब भी कभी ज़मीर के सौदे की बात हो, जब भी कभी ज़मीर के सौदे की बात हो, डट जाओ तुम इनकार हुसैन की तरह।